when my hair is done. I love when my nails are done. Being a girl is fun. So change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. Cause it's your way, love, 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 that makes us do all the stupid shit that we.
I'm gonna get my hair done. Good morning. Y'all wanna see my hair look like a bunny? Jump scare. Well, let's head to this appointment. We're being a girl today. It's a girl's day. I'm just a girl, and I want to do girly things today. So getting my hair done is definitely step one of being a girl. Like, I love, like the song, I love just being a girl. Like flowers. I like getting my nails done, getting my toes done. I like getting my hair done. I like shopping. Today is just all about being a girl and being a girl's girl. So come with me. But first, a core wash to get my girl clean. She glistening. But we have made it to the nail shop. The hair salon. And normally I don't wear a bonnet outside of my house. But my hair's a mess. So it is what it is. We're about to get the hair done. Thank you. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Good. How are you today?
I'm good. Not too warm, is it? Is that too warm?
Oh no, it's fine. Gotta push the button to get out. Just what I wanted, something low maintenance. Not gotta worry about no curves. I came here specifically for this. I want to see how it smells. Is this the tester? Oh, it does smell good. I wonder what this perfume smells like. It says ruby raspberry, sugar crystals, and whipped musk. The perfume is 74. Ulta. I only need 2 things out of Ulta. Oh, they're closing early on Memorial Day. Toner. Trying to out there. But I got what I needed from Ulta. But I had to order one thing. But I'll show y'all everything that I got once I get to the house. Whew, it's hot. Alright. We are at the mall. Dark spot serum. Back to got what we needed. So now headed to the nail shop.
I can cut down a little bit.
A little bit? Okay. Okay, so y'all, let me show y'all everything that I got. So from Bath and Body Works, I got the Sweetest Song body wash. I got the Sweetest Song body cream. I got the Sweetest Song body mist. And I got the Sweetest Song perfume. What I discovered was, well, first of all, this is so pretty. But it's also a music box. That's so cute, y'all. The perfume itself is so pretty. That smells good. The notes on this are blush, raspberry, sugar crystals, and whipped musk. And it smells so good. So I got that from Bath and Body Works. From Sephora, I got the Topicals Brightening and Clearing Serum. I've been using this for the dark marks on my cheeks, and it is working. That's what it looks like. Clearing right on up, clearing right on up. And this is working along with my normal face routine. Then from Ulta, I got some aloe vera toner from Mario Badescu. And I got some lip gloss, you know, because the lip gloss is literally right there by the checkout counter. So I got my normal clear jelly lip gloss. And I also got this lip gel. This is in the color Popsicle. That's so pretty. And what's the best way to wrap up a girl's girl day? You know, I'm just a girl day. Other than with a package. So let's see what we got, y'all. It's fragile. Handle with care. Be careful with me. Do you know what you're doing? Whose feelings are you hurting and bruising? You know what the wrong, but is it worth the girl that you lose? And be careful with me. From Rose Forever, y'all. How to protect your preserved flowers. Your Rose Forever flowers are real. If you take care of them a little, they will stay beautiful like on the first day for many years. Please don't water the roses or treat them with other care products. Please avoid touching the petals as that could affect their lifespan. Ideally, keep them away from direct sunlight. If dust collects after a few months, you can simply brush it away with a soft brush to gently brush off the dust. Thank you for your trust, and we hope you enjoy them as much as we do. I sure will. Oh, we got the pink box. These boxes are everything. They're velvet. What do we got, y'all? Oh my goodness, y'all. Being a girl is fun. These are so pretty, y'all. These are beautiful. And it said on the thing, it says avoid touching them. And I just want to touch them so bad, but they smell so good. They smell like flowers. But what I'll do is leave a direct link to the Rose Forever website. And I'll also leave you a coupon code so you can save some money on your order. I just doing little girly things, little self-care things. For me, being a girl means being soft, smelling good, being soft and strong at the same time, because I turn everyday routines into my own little rituals and I romanticize my life. I take the smallest thing and try to romanticize it just to add fulfillment to my life. Like, I can go from cutesy to being that boss girl at any drop of a dime. And the biggest thing about being a girl is that my style speaks before I do. You'll see me, you'll see my hair, you'll see my outfit, and then just talking to me, I make healing look pretty, graceful. I laugh loud, I love deep. My pain is my power, and I sparkle even on my worst days. So I just love being a girl. Love being a girl's girl. It's super important that you take time to pour back into yourself, whether it's a day full of things like I did, going shopping at your favorite store or eating at your favorite restaurant or getting your favorite drink, or taking a self-care day, getting a massage or getting your hair done, whatever makes you feel good. Like, I encourage you to do that. I love being a girl. Like, I'm just a girl. I love being dainty. I love all the things. I like flowers just because it's Tuesday. I like being treated like a woman or being treated like a princess. That embodies me through and through. If this video resonates with you, just make sure that y'all drop down in the comments and let me know what makes you feel like a girl. What things do you do that just make you feel super dainty and cutesy and sexy and girly? And even if it's some of the things that I did in this video, let me know that as well. Remember, you deserve to be celebrated and be the best version of yourself day in and day out. But I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Thank you for your love and thank you for your support. And if no one else has told you that they loved you, just know that Candace Denise does love you from the bottom of my heart. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next video. Love you guys. Bye.
Change our mind. We so in love, but babe, it's not enough to survive. 'Cause it sure ain't love.